Hello, welcome to my show. My name is Regina, and this is my YouTube channel show. Today, the summer beauty box reviews continue. I have a Target beauty box this time. Now, the Target beauty box is not a subscription box. You have to buy each one separately, and you have to show up and buy it. And they're known for selling out quickly. I found out about the Target beauty box by word of mouth, and I don't watch a lot of TV, so maybe they advertise it on TV, I don't know, but otherwise I have not seen any advertising about the Target beauty box, but everybody's talking about the Target beauty box, and it's basically a very, very good deal. It's $7. Like I said, it's monthly. It varies by the month. Sometimes they'll have different themes and you can pick different things. They tend to sell out so fast that people kind of spread the word between themselves, and when somebody finds out that it's available for the month, everybody will if they're where they can get one, they'll try to get one. Now all the Target stores do not carry the beauty box, but they carry them online. I purchased mine online. Let's see, what else do I want to tell you about it? This is not official from Target, but somebody told me they come out around the 6th every month, so I started watching on the 6th to see if I could get one, and I guess maybe I was motivated because I have been doing beauty boxes this summer and reviews, but also I like good products and I like a good price. So let's see if we can see what all the hype's about. It's from Target. Target beauty box comes like this, nice size box, especially when you consider it's $7. It's a real good size box. Okay. They package it pretty much like the others, the nice packaging, tissue wrap around it, and a flyer on top that's going to tell you what's in the box and welcomes you to the box. It says, "Hello, Summer Stunner." I'm not going to read everything about it, but they also give you the link for the Target beauty box if you want to put it on your calendar to watch for the next time it comes out. Target.com/beautybox, and there's a $3 off coupon. Now be aware, this is an August box, and the coupon is good for the month of August, but that gives you $3 to spend on your beauty products, whatever, and it doesn't have to be, it could be something in the box or something else they have in the store. It's good cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. You could get your shampoo for $3 off. Okay, now what's in the box? Okay, I'm going to start with the Intuition razor. This runs $5.39. So for a $7 box, you've pretty close to getting your money's worth with the razor. So that's $5.39. Good deal. I'll use it. It will not be wasted. The next thing is cleansing wipes by Simple Matte Waterproof Mascara Remover. How many times we need this in the summer? You're heading to the pool and realize your mascara's on, and oh no, and what do? This is a sample size package. It runs, let's see, I've got the Target over to the side. It runs $6.99 for a full size. This is probably $1.50 worth, but it's just right to put in your gym bag or your beach bag and take it with you. That's a good deal. The next thing, and I like this a lot actually, is called Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. And this is a new kind of hairspray. I've never had a hairspray quite like this. And most of the time you do your styling and you're going, okay, now we'll put it, and it holds your shape. What this is for is to give yourself a little bit of shaping when you've been out and around. Maybe your hair got wet or tousled, maybe you got sweaty, and you need just a little bit of spray. It's kind of like spray and go, maybe do a little bit of scrunching and keep going. So that kind of thing. And I did use some of that today, just playing around with my summer hairstyles. So Beach Babe, and the Beach Babe runs $4.84. It's very reasonable, and I like this. This is a sample size, but it's perfect to throw in your bag when you're heading to the beach or to the gym, wherever. Okay, the next thing is a Cure Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. It's moisturizer. It's got a light citrus smell, although the reviews that I read said it had no smell at all, so I don't know that I agree with that. But anyway, to me, it's a pleasant smell. It's not unpleasant at all, and it's just a day cream moisturizer. It's a good moisturizer though. It runs $16.99 day cream. And this is a fluid ounce. I want to say I don't remember the full size. This is a very generous size sample though. This is probably at least a $5 to $6 to $7 worth of the product, and it's a good moisturizer. The next is Coconut Body Lotion by Eden. Products like this are one of the reasons I decided that I would rather look at what I had and then review and unbox instead of just opening it and saying, oh, look, what is this? What do I do with it? And then smell it or just deciding right then if you like it or not. On first sniff, honestly, I didn't really like this that much. I didn't dislike it at all. There was nothing. It's just like I like a lot of fragranced lotions, and maybe this was maybe a little bit more delicately fragranced. But last night I was going back through the box and thinking about what I had in here, and I had put some on my arms, and then the next morning when I woke up, they were really soft. I said, well, you know, maybe I was a little bit quick to judge this lotion. Anyway, it's a nice lotion. It runs $8.99 for a full-size bottle of the lotion. And the last, and I just dropped my mouse, but the last thing I have in the box is my absolute favorite, and this is what I'm going to be using my $3 off coupon on. It's Bliss Fab Foaming Cleanser and Exfoliator with Bamboo Buffers. And I think I've mentioned in some of the other videos, and everybody, if you're watching this, if you live long enough, you're going to deal with this. Sooner or later, you're going to take a med, and it's going to mess with your complexion, and things are just going to be different. But anyway, a while back, I had an accident, and they had me on so many meds, and I think I complained incessantly about my complexion. I never felt like I found anything that straightened it out, even after the meds were long gone. It's still like rough and dry, but I used this last night when I showered, and I felt like my face was smoother and had a better consistency than it's had in a very long time. Now, being real, it seemed like it would be a little bit abrasive. I don't think I would use this every day, but I might use it once or twice a week, and I liked it a whole lot. This runs $9.99 for the full-size package, but being real, I used probably 1/4 of a teaspoon when I washed my face with it last night, and this is an ounce. So this is several months worth at the rate that I was using it, and did a very good job. So I liked that. I was getting to try a new product in a beauty box that answers one of my needs. Makes me very happy. So I love the beauty box. I love the Target beauty box, and yes, it lived up to all of my expectations, and it was just $7, so I'm totally happy. And $7, that includes shipping. There's no shipping on top of that, so that was it. So anyway, that's it for the Target beauty box. If you have an interest too, I'll put the link underneath the video. Um, this is not a compensated video. I bought my own box and did my own review. So anyway, it's my own honest reviews on it. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe. And until next time, live your life well and have a good day.